Hi mga loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone? I hope all is well. And for those who's new to my channel, welcome po sa aking kusina, and my name is Maricel. In today's video, I would like to share to you my version of my chicken fried rice. This is not a traditional or typical fried rice that we can have at the Chinese restaurant because I am not adding or using a vegetable like the green peas or minced carrots because ayaw ni habi. But since I've been making this for several times, so I would like to share to you, and I hope you will like this. So this is all our ingredients. I have here 4 cups of cold cooked rice. I cooked this yesterday, and we're gonna be using butter. I have 3 eggs in here. So we have a diced breast chicken. So we'll be needing as well a ham. Any kind of brand of ham is fine, but this is what I use. I love this kind of ham. You should try this, mga loves. I mean, you can buy this to Walmart, I believe, if you have Walmart in your place. But in the Philippines, any kind of ham, it's fine, wherever you are. So this minced garlic here, we need this. This is 7 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt. We have 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, like 1 tablespoon and a half, I believe. And then 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Any seasoned salt will do. We'll be needing onion powder as well. And then olive oil. So all I have to do right now is just beat these 3 eggs we have, and then pour that seasoned salt, and we are going to cook this together with the ham separately. So now I melted a 1 tablespoon of butter in here. We are going to go ahead. Sometimes I first cook the ham, sometimes the egg first, but I'm gonna do the ham right now first. So this is just 6 pieces of ham, guys. I just cut that into cube size. So now I'm adding the eggs. This is 3 pieces of eggs, beaten eggs, with 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt.
Okay.
So again, guys, just any kind of seasoned salt will do. And I'm gonna let it sit for like a couple minutes and put on a lid. So pretty much, guys, this is cooked and done. So I'm just gonna leave this here in the pan, and then now we are going to saute a what is it called? The garlic. So we have here 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and now we're gonna go ahead saute our minced garlic. I'm just gonna wait till I can smell the aroma and a little brown. Turns out the color to like golden brown. Alright, I can smell the aroma of the garlic now. It smells so good. And it's time now to add our chicken. I think this is like a pound of chicken. We are adding now the soy sauce. ground black pepper. Just 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And I didn't measure the onion powder, guys. Just try to eyeball it how much amount you put. Maybe one teaspoon as well. I'm gonna add a little bit more. You can also use a minced, you know, chop the onion as well, like a minced onion. And then you put like 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce as well. And now we're gonna reduce our heat to medium heat and just let this cook and simmer for about, 10 to 15 minutes until it's cooked. And so, alright guys, I let it cook for 15 minutes, and this is how it looks like right now. I am going to add just a pinch of sugar. By the way, I forgot to add the salt earlier. So I mentioned 2 teaspoons, but depending on your taste, just add 1 teaspoon first, and you can add the rest if you think it's not enough. So now we're gonna add our rice. So I have here 4 cups of cooked rice. Making a fried rice, it's good when the rice is cold, so it has a good texture when it's cooked. Just gonna make sure that the rice and the meat mix well together. And now we're gonna add on this eggs and the ham we have here. Remember, we cooked this one first earlier. Yep, that's it. We're just gonna mix them all together. As what I've mentioned earlier, you can also put some vegetable in here, like the carrots, corn, and you can also add on a green peas. I'm gonna put on the lid, and then we're gonna cook this for another few minutes. Alright mga loves, I let it cook for another 8 minutes, and let's open up the lid. Yep, it looks cooked for me now. Let's just stir this for only a few seconds. And I'm gonna try it. It's yummy. So here's our finished chicken fried rice. Smells so good, guys. Alright mga loves, here it is. We're gonna try it now. I tried to garnish a spring onion, and that's optional. So I hope you learned from this video today, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.